Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Kebabs are generally loved by everybody, be it vegetarian or non-vegetarian. And so today I thought I'd share a wonderful kasuri chicken kebab recipe with you. For this recipe, first let's make our spice mix. For that, I'm heating a pan. For this, let's heat 1 teaspoon of oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to add half an inch of cinnamon stick, half mace, 1 pod of black cardamom, just the seeds, and 3 green cardamoms, just the pods, 6 cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. Once they release their aroma, I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped ginger and a tablespoon of chopped garlic. The color of the ginger and garlic has changed, it's become slightly golden. We're going to add 2 onions sliced, medium-sized onions. And we're going to saute this till the onion are nice, soft and translucent. I'm going to add a bay leaf as well. The onions are also cooked. They are nice and soft. Let's switch off the flame, wait for this to cool and grind this into a fine paste without adding water. This has cooled down. I'm quickly going to take a 2-minute break and grind this and come back. So here I have half a kg of boneless chicken which I have cut into almost 2 inches cubes. I'm going to add this onion and spice mix to this. Let's add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, 1/4 cup of cream, half a cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of cashew nut paste, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, and our hero of the recipe, the kasuri methi. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this and some salt. Let's mix all these ingredients together. Let's cover this and marinate it for a few hours, 2 hours at least. So it's been almost 2 hours that we kept the chicken to marinate. Now it's time to grill the chicken. So I'm going to use skewers for this. You can use your regular skewers if you have at home, or you can use these satay sticks. So I have a few bell peppers here and I have a few onions that I have chopped nice and big. Now let's skewer the chicken. We've skewered the chicken and now we'll grill them on a pan. I'll just quickly wash my hands and come. I have heated a grill pan here. You can also grill this on your normal regular tawa. I'm going to smother the tawa with some butter. You can also use mustard oil. It gives a lovely tangy spicy taste to your kebabs. I'm also applying some butter to the top of the kebab which is still not cooked. We want the kebabs to be nice and moist. And I'm going to reduce the flame to a medium now. Usually boneless chicken doesn't take too long to cook, so we're going to cook this on both the sides for about 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes, it is cooking on one side. Let's flip the kebab. Now let's cook this for another 7 minutes. I'm just going to baste these kebabs with a little bit of butter. See the beautiful glaze that's coming on the kebabs. The chicken is almost cooked. We'll just flip it once again to get that beautiful golden color to the chicken. I'm going to shut the flame and remove these beautiful kasuri chicken kebabs on a serving platter. To finish off these kebabs, you can sprinkle some chaat masala or just squeeze some lemon juice on this and they are good to be served. You can serve with some simple naans as well. Serve it as a starter. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.